What's up, fam? Welcome back to jewelrymetv, where bold meets beautiful, and every piece makes a statement. Today we're bringing the heat with this two-piece chunky gold set. You get both the necklace and bracelet, made from solid stainless steel with a rich gold finish that's built to never fade, never tarnish, and never quit on your style. This is that heavy hitter look without the heavy price, perfect for stacking or rocking solo. Whether you're dressing it up or keeping it chill, this set's got that energy. Want it? It's easy. Just scan the QR code on your screen to pay with Cash App. In the payment description, make sure you include your full name, your shipping address, and the item number. We're shipping it free, and it'll be at your door in just 3 to 5 days. So don't wait, your next favorite set is just a scan away. I'm your name, and this is jewelrymetv, where your shine is always on point.